Hello, people. Joe here. How you guys doing?
So yesterday, Joe, I showed in your video, I showed how you set up the camera to let us get those sweet shots for the bike ride. And then I showed in my video today for Vlogmas Day 13 what the shot looked like, the finished product. So I think I might put both in your video today. The raw thing where you were setting up the camera, and then maybe do side by side.
Okay, sounds good.
If I can. The timing might not be right, or maybe do it before and after. So what we doing today, boo? I'm getting warm right
I
next
don't
to
know
Joe.
what we're doing today. You told me I was going to the gym, and she told me I can't go to the gym because I got to take her to Walmart.
You can't go to no gym.
So I guess I got to do what the wife wants.
Oh my God, guys, stop. You make me sound like an ogre. Let me tell you something about Joe. I don't know nothing about the what you call the astrological signs. I like to say stuff like I'm a Leo. I'm a whole Leo. I don't know what the hell that means. I know about numerology. Joe is an 8 and I'm an 8. Alright? I don't know how in the heck we lasted in this marriage this long, because the same two numbers ain't supposed to marry each other according to numerology.
You see, the problem is I drop a number, that's the only way to make it.
No. Then when you add up so to get 8, we have to add up the month, the day, and the year that we were born, but the whole year. You know, don't just say like 10, 12, 57 or 8, 14, 66. You have to put the 19 in front of the 66 and the 19 in front of the 57. Add it all up. If you end up with double numbers, you're supposed to like add those up again. So let's say you end up with 26. After you add the whole thing up, then you have to add the 2 plus the 6 and make 8. So you have to come back down to a single digit number. So when we add up the entire birthday, me and Joe are 8s. That's our life path number. When we add up just the month and the day for the birthday, we both come up with 4s. We're like, what the hell are we, Joe? Huh?
You believe in those things?
I believe in the numbers. I don't know about the astrological stuff, but I believe in the numbers. So, Joe, I'm telling you that Joe is strong-willed as an 8, and I'm strong-willed as an 8, right? But we also know how to bend. And honestly, if Joe says, no, I want to go to the gym before I take you to Walmart, I would wait. Joe, stop making me look bad. So I don't ever make demands like that, right?
I know, I'm just messing around, folks.
And if we had a second car, I would go to Walmart by myself, because it's not far, it's half mile down the way. And then he could go to the gym, but we don't have a second car.
With the bicycle.
I'm afraid to ride on that sidewalk. I would though. Not in the wind today, of course, but I would ride my bike. It's not far. We ride farther than that, right? But where am I going to park the bike? Where am I going to park the bike?
Taking Walmart and walking with you.
Oh my God. Wrap it around a tree?
You fuck a chicken for $14 here. Extra shot. Folks, when you have kids, they could change your whole plan of the day. I was home there trying to get some lunch going when Jada called and wanted her contact lens, because the one that she had on right now scratch up or something, get scratched. Something.
She needs for me to bring the contact lens case. The case.
The case?
To put the good contact lens in the case, because one of them went bad. I don't know if it tore or whatever, but it's giving her trouble, and then she needs her eyeglasses to wear for the rest of the day.
Do you bring it?
Yeah. You want me to leave you some for a burrito?
Yeah.
You got $20 for the burrito?
No, never mind. I'm okay.
Folks, I'm trying to get some meat going here for making some burrito. So we're cooking some Spanish rice.
So Joe is doing his, and Joshua says Joe's burrito is going to be sad looking.
It is. This burrito's
No beans, no rice.
Can you even call it a burrito?
Look how much meat he put in it. No wonder the people charge him more when you go, I want an all beef burrito. They charge him more because it has to put more meat.
I mean, yeah.
So Joshua, a burrito nowadays is $20. No joke. No joke.
Was it 400?
Yeah, to start, he's making muffins, guys. He's setting the temperature to 400.
And they're not even that great.
Mm-hmm. And they leave you feeling sick afterwards because they have a lot of MSG, I think. Not put no rice?
No.
You like rice. It's like how he doesn't like sushi. It's fish. He loves fish.
Excuse you. Excuse you? Who invited you to my
I
sauce?
don't need invitation.
Excuse you. Is it even hot?
It's not hot, but it's hard.
That's not alright, man.
You're making a mess. Let me feel it. It's cold.
Ugh.
It's cold like a puppy nose.
I put it back.
Put it back for me. I just want some on the top of mine.
Okay, how you fold it now?
Fold it in over the thing. Bring the tortilla over the contents.
All the way to like $5.
No.
Where did I put the lid?
Just right over the contents. I can't move my sleeves, baby. A little bit more. A little bit past the content. 3/4 of the way. Okay. All right. Then pin the two sides in, left and right. Your tortilla was getting too crispy.
Yeah.
Then roll. Pick up the whole thing and roll.
Okay.
You rolled it like 3 times.
Okay.
Did you put the cheese? Oh no, you can't have cheese, right?
Oh, I got it.
I can't have cheese.
That's all right. I'm good.
Oh, we got cheddar slices. Cool.
Folks, like, subscribe, share, and all that's good stuff. Because I've got a good stuff right now.
It's falling apart on him.
Come, God.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.